Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to access Binance Market Mover feature. I just tap on my account and officially logged in, and I will be just move in my market section. Just tap on it, and after inside the market you will be see the option which is called data in the last top right corner. Just tap on the data button in the market, and you may scroll down to find top movers. A little bit scroll down, you will see this is the top movers. So when you just tab on it, and after inside you will see the top movers, and you will see this is the rise, pull and pull back, and which is rally and high, new high, and much more you will see. So this is the top movers features in Binance. So this is how to. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.